In this video, I will show you how to create questionnaires in Microsoft Word document with options. So I will show you how to create it. Insert a table and select your required number of rows and column. Now select it and in the table layout, make it 1 centimeter and middle. Now adjust the size. Now here type very useful and not useful. Adjust the column size or change the font size like this. Now here insert the series and number. Make the rows as you need. Now here enable developer tab and select this checkbox properties change, and here select windings 2 and select the checkbox. Click on OK. Select it, Control C and Control V. Now write your questions one by one. And make the font size properly so it will appear in one line. Now select it and in table layout, table design, here select the no border. Now you can make heading, you can adjust the alignment like right. Now we can add this type of so guys, thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.